What is up, y'all, and welcome to The Real Ray with me, Ray. I am a cosmetologist, beautician, hairdresser, therapist, whatever you want to call me, that's me, but only nice things, please. And today I've got my headband on, which means it is like makeup, skincare related. Today I want to talk about makeup remover and how you need it. Washing your face is great, but you really also need to be doing something very specific to remove your makeup, because facial cleanser isn't designed to break down all of the stuff that we have on, right? Especially like when you're getting into like a lot of mascara and like lip stuff that stays all day long. My favorite way is using the original makeup eraser. My second favorite is Clinique makes a oil and one that's like a balm to oil. I like them both a lot. I think I like the oil better. The reason my favorite way to remove my makeup is using the original makeup eraser is because I don't get gunk in my eyes. I feel like a lot of times when I'm using an oil or a different type of makeup remover, when I'm trying to get my stuff off my eyelashes, I just inevitably get things in my eyes and they either like sting or everything gets hazy for a little while and kind of like freaks me out. So that doesn't happen when I use the makeup eraser, and it's freaking magical and I love it. I will say, like, make sure and be gentle and don't like scrub a ton. I get it like really wet and then I'll just kind of hold it on my eyelashes for a minute and let it do its work, and it takes all of my makeup off. I feel pretty confident about it, and they are washable so you can reuse them. I put them in the washer after I've used them every time because it kind of grosses me out not to, but you can actually just like hand wash them with a little bit of soap and let them dry out and reuse them multiple times. They come in a ton of different sizes. I've got like a really big one, a medium one, and a few like little small ones. The little small ones are probably like plenty of surface area to get your full face off, but if you just like a bigger one, that is an option too. So after you've removed your makeup, then you will do your normal skincare routine and feel good that all of your makeup is actually gone. So the oil makeup remover, you do want to make sure and put on like dry, don't wet your face first. Just put it directly on your face, massage it in, and then you will like rinse it off and then do your normal face cleansing routine. All right, y'all, let me know which way you prefer to take your makeup off, or if you haven't even been removing your makeup and this is new information for you. Don't forget, I've got some links below to Amazon if you want to get your makeup eraser from there. If not, they sell them directly on their website. You can get it from like Ulta, Sephora. I think Target even sells the makeup eraser, and they're not super expensive and literally one of my favorite, most frequently used items I have in my bathroom. And I'm pretty much always very bummed out when they're all dirty and then I have to use an oil. I'm spoiled. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that. It helps me to grow my YouTube channel. And let me know what sort of content you're looking for so I can make sure to gear my videos towards what you're wanting to see. All right, I will see your beautiful faces so soon. It's The Real Ray. Bye.